What's up, guys? Yes, I got a new car. So this is not a clickbait. Check it out. So before I show you the car, let me tell you a little history. So I was looking to buying a let me go to the shade here, to buy a BMW 335i, and which is the twin turbo. I really like that car. You know, I think the other twin turbo car that I was crazy about, but you know, so expensive, is the Toyota Supra. I didn't give up yet, but I just don't have money for it. And this BMW, I think it's going to be that kind of car. I mean, you can get shit ton of power out of that. You know, it'll be fun to get one and play with it. So I was going to buy one of those and I start researching Copart, Facebook, Craigslist, you know the drill, right? Everything. And I found a different car, which you know, just line up, and I ended up calling the guy, messaging the guy, and it was 2 blocks from my house, and I said, let me just come over and see it. I didn't quite want to buy it, I just want to see it. And you know, but when I got there, the car was such in a good shape, and the problem was so small that I ended up doing this. So let me show you. All right, can you guess what this is? So yeah, I got a BMW. This is the newer model. It's 2006 330i. Apparently there was a front end damage, which I cannot quite see. I mean, besides this here, you know, the bumper doesn't stick in here, which is, I mean, I can fix this in 5 minutes, not even talking about zip tie. Fix those holes here. The owner had this beautiful thing here. I don't know why you put this thing here, but it would be cool to know like the history of this car and stuff. So if you are the owner or you know the owner, yeah, let's tell me the story of this car. That would be awesome to know. And you can see blue wheels, and which I'm not crazy about either. I like shiny stuff. So yeah, we gotta fix that. So front fenders are both, I gotta at least paint. And look at that, this is in excellent shape. Besides the paint, right? The clear coat is peeling off, but you know, take the clear coat out of there, maybe one layer of paint and clear coat it again. You see here the trunk, you know, maybe I'll wrap this car. There's this missing here, which is, I believe, is the amplifier. If you know what this is, let me know, so in the comments. So this is missing. All those wires cut. I don't understand. Probably the guy cut and put this on a different amplifier and all that stuff. Yeah, I gotta research that. I just locked the trunk with the battery off, and I don't know how I'm gonna lock it. Anyway, I can figure it later. Kitty came to see the car too. All right, come over. So yeah, look inside. I mean, there's nothing, no airbag popped out, you know, everything looks great. It is a salvage title. There was a big unit here, and at least the connector is intact. I won't complain. This doesn't start. I don't know if it's because this is missing and the amplifier in the back, but everything else in here works. You put the key in there, and you know, the last owner wrapped this thing in black, which kinda looks great. It's kinda good, kinda not good, you know. I don't know. Maybe he was, I don't know if he was learning how to wrap or oh, what the hell was that? Because I mean, sorry, I'm not criticizing the guy. I'm just saying my wrapping job probably would be worse than that, to be honest. And some wrapping here, and some cracked window. But you know, apart from that, car looks great. And honestly, apart from being manual, from being automatic, that's a great car. You know, everything is fine so far. I didn't start yet, and the problem is, I don't know if you know about BMWs, but probably. Let me pop the hood. There is in here the engine. Guy took everything apart. It's pretty dirty and stuff. I gotta clean all of this. You see in here, this side has the Vanos unit and this side doesn't, right? It's like a normal engine and had the belt. This doesn't have the belt. It has a timing chain, not belt. And this is what broke. So let's go here. The back of the car, there's a little bucket, and call it the bucket of the goodies. So 2 new coils, probably $100 each. Here is the Vanos unit. I mean, it looks fine, but the problem wasn't the Vanos unit. Problem was the Vanos unit bolt. Look what happened. The thing is snapped in there, and this unit was loose and not working properly. So question now is, he said he tried to start a few times and it was smooth. The noise was normal, everything was normal. Did my cat get in here? Everything was normal and the car didn't start. But you know, we never know. He was pretty honest guy. I'm sure whatever he told me, it's actually what happened. And you know, I choose to take the car and see what I can do, because I can fix that. Even if a few valves are bent, I can figure something out and fix it. I mean, I don't need to send to someone, spend like thousands of dollars. And I'm in the garage. I got the keys to see if I can pop the trunk, because I turned off the battery and I have no idea. Please, trunk. Oh shit. I have no idea how I'm gonna open this. So this doesn't open because the battery is off. The key, you put the key in there, it doesn't work also. I think there's a way to open this. So the battery is on the back, but there are 2 terminals on the front. Actually, 1 terminal. Oops. Sorry for the shaking. So, this I should plug after, but I don't have enough hands. And this is the positive. So, I'm gonna plug this in here. Oh, there you go. So now the car has power. And we go to the back, which works. Oh, thank God. Yeah, so that's it. That's my new car. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video, make some comments. If you know who owns this car, tell the guy, ask him to make, or the girl, I don't know, tell them to contact me. It would be cool to know the history of the car, know what happened, how it ended up getting totaled, because I mean, it doesn't look total to me. I tried to look the history and I didn't see anything. I didn't see crash or anything, but you know, it'll be interesting to know. Also, if you are on my channel for the Eclipse, don't give up on me. I just need to install 2 more things. Wire these guys here, which I'm procrastinating, into the ECU. I'm very scared. So I'm researching a lot. I didn't stop. I'm just researching to be sure that I'm gonna do the right thing. And also install the oil cooler, which I believe I'm going to install right in here. This here is going to be fired up very soon. Hopefully, this is my first build. I didn't know, have never built a car. So hopefully this is going to start fine, and if not, we're going to figure it out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribing is the best way to support the channel so I can get more cars and I can make more videos, I can help more people, I can have more fun. And also, I won't be able to keep all those cars. Even when I have a shop, I won't be able to keep lots of cars, just enough, right? So far I have like 2 daily cars and then 4 more. It's too much, right? Too much, I mean, it's never too much for me, but in front of my house, inside my backyard and all that stuff, it's not very good. Unless I have a shop, I can have like 10 cars, but that's it. At some point I'll need to start giving away, right? So I'll make some merchandise, some t-shirts, sunglasses and stuff. I don't know yet what. If you guys have ideas, just post in the comment and then we go from there. But I need subscribers for that. So subscribing is the best way to help. Stay tuned and I'll see you on the next video.
Look past my face. Se status, amiris McDonald's.